The angels say, this confession may give you a surprise. This confession may give a surprise to you. This friend could be anyone you have not seen in a long time. Maybe you speak occasionally or see each other sporadically. Perhaps you haven't spoken at all for a long time, or maybe it is someone who has been a good part of your life for such a long time now that he has become such a permanent fixture in your experience that you can no longer remember a life without them. They are an important part of your world. Their friendship is reliable and consistent and important. But whatever your exact situation, their upcoming confession will most likely make you happy. You may not have ever considered that they could have feelings for you. You or maybe you have always hoped that they could. Their confession will come very soon. That is why your guardian angels are giving you this message in advance, so that you have time to process what is going to happen and begin to understand your own feelings to ensure that you react accordingly and not act out of shock. I repeat, in 3 weeks, an old friend will make a confession about his feeling. Take some time to think about what this might mean to you. Evaluate your current situation and emotional state and ensure that you are open to and ready for a confession that may cause some changes in your life. You are a strong individual who has proven time and time again that you are able to handle all the things that life throws at you. Change is not always a bad experience. Change is what has made you to grow and develop into the beautiful and intelligent person. Change can also be scary sometimes when something that is stable and trustworthy changes it can make. You're fearful of what you could lose. Whatever the current emotional state of the relationship between you and this old friend, it is one of consistency. You have become accustomed to with the current dynamic, and the idea of that changing can be scary for both of you. You may be wondering why he or she is going to confess her feelings in 3 weeks. You may ask, why now? Why couldn't they have said so sooner? What has happened to make them want to confess their feelings to you at this time? The answers to these questions may never be clear. They may have been harboring these feelings for quite some time and have just been quietly longing for something more. They may have kept it hush in order to preserve the friendship and avoid disappointment. Or maybe they have recently had an epiphany. They have realized that the friendship they have with you could shine into a fruitful relationship that could make them very happy. Whatever the exact reason for this confession coming at this time, know that It is because of the amazing person that you are. They are drawn to you time and time. They cannot hold their feelings hidden inside them for much longer now. Their fear of rejection is outweighed by the strength of their feelings for you. The possibility of lifetime of happiness and fruitfulness with you is worth the risk. They understand what they have to lose now if something happens. The last thing they want is to lose you from their life now. Your friendship has provided them with countless memories and laughs and experiences, but they know that they could not live a full and honest life without telling you how they felt about you. You have always inspired them to be true and authentic. You have always admired them, for you are unashamedly yourself in the best ways a person can be. You are kind and generous. You are kind and generous and great human being. You listen and always do your best to be understanding them. They want to treat you with the same respect with which you have treated them and all those around you all the years. Try and leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a positivity boost in their day. The universe sees it as an act of kindness that fuels the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and receiving the universe's blessings in return. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together in universe. Did you know there's a possible image of your real soulmate that you can look at right now? It might be someone you know or someone that you haven't met in long time. It's amazing how accurate these have been. An important message is waiting for you in the next video. Will you hear it?